Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to view watch history on X. So if you want to view your watch history on X, you'll have to request and download X Data Archive, because X simply does not have such feature to view your watch history. So in this case you'll have to download your X Data Archive. So let me show you how you can do that. You have to tap your profile picture in the top left. Now scroll down to settings and privacy, and now in your settings tap on your account section, and now go to your option download an archive of your data. Now you have to verify your X password, enter it here in this box and press request archive button. So X will prepare a large file for you, and you will receive an email or in-app notification when your archive will be ready to download. You must download that zip file, and it will include your entire X history. So it will contain your posts, your videos, your DMs, your followers list, and of course your watch history. So all that will be included in your X Data Archive. That's unfortunately the only option how you can view your watch history on X. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.